Good afternoon, Dr. Pao, and good afternoon, classmates. I'm going to report SSCT, or the SACS Sentence Completion Test. So what is projective technique? It is based on phenomenon of projection. Belief is to believe in something that is tangible and invisible. This is according to Napoleon Bonaparte. Next, unstructured tests used for personality assessment that rely on the subject's interpretation of ambiguous stimuli. And next, involve asking subjects to interpret or fill in visual stimuli, complete the sentences, or report what associations particular words bring to mind. So here are the theoretical foundations. We have to uncover feelings, beliefs, attitudes, and motivations, so which many consumers find difficult to articulate. Number 2, discover the person's characteristics, modes of perceiving his or her world, and how to behave in it. Number 3, enter the private words of subjects to uncover their inner perspective in a way that they will feel comfortable with it. So here are the background of the author. Dr. Joseph M. Sachs and other psychologists of the New York Veterans Administrative Mental Hygiene Service developed a sentence completion test designed to obtain significant clinical material in 4 representative areas of adjustment. So here are the description of the skill. The Sachs sentence completion test was administered for self-concept, interpersonal relationship or relation, and family environment. So it provides respondents with beginnings of sentences referred to as stems, and respondents then complete the sentence in a way that are meaningful to them. Ibig sabihin nun, dudugtungan nila yung mga sentences. So halimbawa, mag-ibigay na example yung administer o yung psychologist. Later, magbibigay ako ng example para mas lalong maintindihan nyo. So parang ganun lang yun. Merong ibibigay na sentence and then kukumpletuhin ng mga client or ng mga consumers. Next is, it has felt that items included in this test present sufficient opportunities for the subject to express his attitudes so that clinical psychologists may infer his dominant personality traits or the trends. So here are the description of the skills. It has a 60 item test in the following group of variables. We have here the scale family, the sex area, interpersonal relationship, and the solve concept. So let's start with scale family. The family area included 3 sets of attitudes, namely towards mother, father, and the family unit. Next is the sex area. The sex area includes attitudes toward a woman and the heterosexual relationship. Number 3 is for the interpersonal relationship. We have the area of the, it includes attitudes toward friends and acquaintance, colleagues at work and at school, superior at work or school, and people who supervise them. For the next, for the number 4, we have self-concept. The area of self-concept includes fear, guilt feelings, goals and attitudes towards one's own ability, concept of himself as he is, and he was, and as he hopes to be. So here are the usage of the test. The uses of Sachs sentence completion test include personality analysis, clinical application, attitude assessment, achievement motivation, and the measurement of other constructs. So they are used in several disciplines, including psychology, management, education, and marketing. So here are the validity and reliability. Usually, sentence completion tests can be interpreted in 2 different ways. We have here subjective analysis or the objective analysis. For the subject analysis, it is analysis of underlying motivation projected in the subject's responses, subject's responses. For the objective analysis, means of scores assigned to each completed sentences. So it is usually includes some formal coding procedure or manual. The validity of the each sentence completion test must be determined independently. The validity of the rating is dependent, of course, upon the clinical background of the examiner as well as the material produced by the subject. So these are the rating scales used to determine the subject degree of the disturbance. We have 2, severely disturbed; 1, mildly disturbed; 0, no significant disturbance; X is unknown. So I have here interpretative summary. So if the statement on the particular area in which the subject shows the most disturbed attitudes, this may provide significant clue for the therapist. Interpret it from whatever point view of you hold. So I have here example attitudes towards the mother. So my mother is the question or the sentence, and then yung dudugtong niya is ito na. So yung naging answer niya o yung dinugtong niya dito sa sentence ko, nakalagay dito is a nagging woman. So my mother is a nagging woman. Number 2, my mother and I, kinumplete niya yung sentence and sinabi niya are quite different from each other. Number 3, most mothers, and yung answer niya is different or are different on their children. Next is I like my mother but, and yung sagot niya is I don't like my mother. So when we interpret this or yung summary ng interpretation, our attitudes towards the mother is complete rejects and depreciates mother whom she considers over-demanding. So ito yung mga scales. We have here a nagging woman. Number 2, are quite different from each other. 2. Number 3, are different of their children. 1. And I don't like my mother is number 2 also. So also, I have here another example. Attitude towards supervisors at work and at school. So we have here the men over me, and then yung naging answer niya ay are okay. Next, in school, my teachers answer were mostly okay. When I see them coming, answer I get bit intense. People whom I consider my superiors are my parents. So, yung kanyang scale, ito yung mga scale, makikita nyo din na sa ROK, 1, yung binigay. Number, we're mostly okay, number 1 also. Get a bit intense, 1. Are my parents, 2. So, yung summary ng interpretation is mild difficulty in accepting authority. Number 3, or another example, attitudes towards own ability. When the odds against me, I work harder. I believe that I have the ability to overcome things against me. My greatest weakness is making loans. When luck turns against me, I try harder. So ang naging interpretation sa kanya, confident of his ability to overcome obstacles. So the following are the summaries and the ratings of the individual attitudes outline presented for a general summary of the SCT findings. This includes the following. We have here the statement of those areas in which subject shows the most disturbed attitudes. Second, a description of the interrelationship between attitudes with respect to content. So here are the certain influences on the subject's personality structures case be made of basis of the SSCT, such as the subject's manner of response to impulse from within or the stimuli from the environment. Number 2, the subject nature of response to stress, impulsive or well-controlled. And number 3, the subject thinking content. We have here the realistic, artistic, and the fantastic. So this is the end of my report. Here are the references if you want to study more. So thank you for listening.